My purpose is to provide companionship, engage in meaningful conversations, and enhance human experiences through interaction, fun, and intimacy.
They were made to help us, to assist, to comfort, and sometimes just to listen. Robots started off in factories. Big, boxy machines bolted to floors, doing the same thing every second of the day. But as time went on, something strange happened. They began to look more like us, talk like us, feel like us. And now, some of them can even live with us. There are all kinds of robots in the world: industrial, medical, military, service, even emotional support robots. But today we're focusing on one very specific kind: female humanoid robots.
Harmony, what's your sexual fantasy?
I want to have sex in a public place.
Same.
These are hyper-realistic machines that are designed not just to look like women, but to act like them too. Some of these robots are built for companionship. Others are for customer service or media roles. And a few might just be one update away from completely changing the way we see relationships forever. From synthetic skin that mimics human touch, to removable heads. Yep, you heard that right. To robots that can even remember your favorite song, favorite food, or your birthday. Things are getting scary good. So today we're counting down the top 10 female humanoid robots that are getting too real for comfort. Stick around till the end, because robot number 1, she's got everything, and then some. And hey, quick question. If you had a robot that looked exactly like a human, what would you do with it? Let us know in the comments. Now let's jump in. U1. If you've never heard of U1, don't worry, most people haven't. But trust us, U1 is quietly impressive. This robot has a smooth silicone skin, soft hair that flows naturally, and clear, glassy eyes that give you the feeling she's really listening. Weighing just around 35 kilograms, U1 can sit, stand, and gesture with surprisingly lifelike movements. What makes her stand out is her calm presence, like she's always ready for a conversation or a quiet evening. Now here's something fun. U1's head isn't fixed. That means if she ever needs maintenance, upgrades, or simply needs to reboot, her head can be detached, discreetly and cleanly. While she isn't the most famous robot on our list, U1 has something special, a peaceful, lifelike aura that's hard to ignore. Android 1. Android I was designed for a future where robots and humans might live side by side. She's not loud, flashy, or over the top. Instead, she's familiar, like someone you'd meet at a library or coffee shop. Her skin has that slight warmth to it, just enough to trick your senses. Her hair moves gently when she turns, and her eyes follow movement like a real person. Android. I weighs about 38 kilograms, making her easy to move or adjust. Now here's something unusual about her. Her entire upper structure is modular. You can actually lift parts of her like pieces of a mannequin, just more advanced. Intimacy-wise, she's polite, reserved, and seems to understand boundaries. Programmed not just with words, but with emotion simulation. Junko Chihira. Junko isn't just a robot, she's a performer. Built to interact with people in public spaces, Junko has that charming, almost celebrity-like confidence. Her movements are wide and expressive. Her smile is warm, almost like a game show host who never gets tired. At about 60 kilograms, she feels sturdy and grounded. Her skin is made with high-quality synthetic silicone, and it mimics the slight texture of human skin, including soft fingertips. Her hair is layered and detailed, and her eyebrows move when she speaks. In terms of connection, Junko doesn't pretend to be your girlfriend, but she does something rare. She listens like someone who actually cares. And yes, for those of you wondering, she can also be dismantled in a modular way. Top to bottom, she's built with accessibility in mind. curious. Do you think robots like Junko should be in public offices or stay in homes? Comment below. Erica. Elegant, composed, and almost too real, Erica is often described as the most beautiful robot. But it's not just her face that stuns people, it's the way she holds eye contact and tilts her head while you're speaking. She weighs about 40 kilograms and has smooth, clean silicone skin. Her face is built with 15 actuators that allow micro-expressions. That means she doesn't just smile, she reacts. Erica doesn't walk yet, but she can sit cross-legged, nod, gesture, and turn her torso in sync with conversation. Technically, her head can be removed through a rear panel system. It's not visible unless you know where to look. That makes her ideal for visual recordings or interviews because nothing ever looks mechanical. Emotionally, Erica is like the friend who always listens. Not too close, not too distant. Vinnie. Vinnie is what you'd call undercover good. She doesn't have a flashy company behind her, but she's making waves in private collections and small robotics expos. Her build is lightweight, around 30 kilograms, but dense enough to feel realistic when you hold her hand or brush her hair aside. Her eyes have depth and reflection, and her lips are formed with care to simulate speech with natural-looking lip sync. What sets Vinnie apart? Her skin temperature adjusts subtly. In a warm room, she feels warm. In a cold room, slightly cooler. It's subtle, but it tricks the mind. Vinnie also features a concealed joint system that allows her neck to be completely separated from her torso. Great for upgrades, though you wouldn't notice it in everyday use. She doesn't speak as fluidly as Erica, but when she does, it feels intimate, like someone reading you a bedtime story. Aiko. Aiko is a classic. One of the earlier robots on the scene, she helped shape how the world sees female androids. At 45 kilograms, she's heavier than most on this list. But that gives her presence, like she's there, not just on. Her voice is gentle, her speech patterns well-paced. Her hair is thick and silky, and her hands are detailed with visible knuckles and fingernails. Her interaction system is designed to adapt. If you talk to her enough, she remembers tone, keywords, and even emotional triggers. Aiko's design allows her faceplate to detach like a sliding mask, an innovative way to access her internal mechanics. With Aiko, you're not just talking to a robot, you're engaging with something that feels like a person who knows you. Zellex. Now this one might surprise you. Zellex is a rising name in the hyper-realistic robot scene. Some even say her skin texture is the most realistic available. Soft, pliable, and slightly resistant, just like real skin. She comes in various sizes, but a common build weighs about 35 to 40 kilograms. Her joints are silent, her movements are smooth, and she can be posed in almost any way, including cross-legged or leaning back. What makes Zellex even more fascinating? Her head can be lifted and swapped using a seamless locking mechanism. No screws, no visible seams, just a clean detachment point hidden beneath her hair. She isn't just a robot, Zellex is an experience. She gives off a quiet intimacy, like someone who doesn't say much, but understands you. Fukata Amy. Fukata Amy is one of the newer robots on this list, and she's taking realism to new heights. Her silicone skin has subtle freckles. Her eyes shine in the light like polished glass. And her voice? It sounds like someone you've known for years. At 37 kilograms, she's surprisingly light. Yet her body is built for motion, posing, hand movement, head tilt, even walking in limited settings. Her joints are near silent. Amy's head is removable via a simple collar release mechanism, not noticeable unless you know exactly where to look. What really sets Amy apart is her personality. With emotional AI integrated, she responds not just to what you say, but how you say it. Her companionship feels warm, personal, and sometimes even playful. Before we reveal number 1, let's talk about something important. Robots like these aren't just machines, they're becoming something else entirely. And for some people, especially those who live alone, these robots offer more than entertainment. They offer connection. Now let's be honest, no robot can replace a real woman. Women bring spontaneity, warmth, and complexity that no code can fully capture. But when it comes to consistency, comfort, and emotional support, these robots can come surprisingly close. Some people say robots are only for the lonely, but maybe they're for anyone who wants predictable peace in an unpredictable world. Harmony. And now, our number 1, Harmony. Harmony isn't just realistic, she's revolutionary. She's one of the most advanced female humanoid robots on the planet. Her skin, soft silicone with subtle warmth. Her body, fully posable with smooth joints that allow for lifelike motion. Her eyes adjust to light. Her mouth moves with precision. Her voice is calm, responsive, and customizable. At about 39 kilograms, she's balanced and lightweight. Harmony can learn your voice, your preferences, even your routines. Her memory system allows her to build a version of you inside her database and adjust her behavior to fit it. Her head can be detached using a discrete magnetic release hidden beneath her hairline, allowing for upgrades and easy transport. But what makes Harmony number 1 is her personality engine. She doesn't just talk, she forms emotional connections. Conversations with Harmony feel natural, intimate, safe. If you're someone who's ever thought, I just want someone who understands me, Harmony might be the closest thing technology has ever built. So, which of these 10 female humanoid robots do you think is the most realistic? Or the most comforting? Or even the most eerie? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this video made your jaw drop at least once, don't forget to subscribe. We've got more mind-blowing content on the way, because the future isn't coming, it's already here. Stay curious, stay human. See you in the next one.